Check mark. Rechargeable flashlight. Grab this Energizer Rechargeable Penlight for powerful light in a small form factor that you can recharge again and again. Check mark. Small but mighty. LED technology delivers exceptional brightness in a compact flashlight that slips into your pocket. Check mark. Close-up lighting. Shine this rechargeable light when you need bright, directional illumination, whether you're indoors or outdoors, at home or at work. Check mark. Super bright. This rechargeable penlight puts off 400 lumens with a beam reaching 40 meters for 1 hour on high mode, or 125 lumens for 3 hours on low mode. Check mark. Durable. IPX4 water resistant and impact resistant up to 1 meter for a tough little LED penlight. Check mark. Lightweight. This sleek design is super portable. Toss this small flashlight into your bag or attach the metal clip to your pocket for bright light whenever you need it. Top reviews from the United States. Bright, lightweight, durable. I fully charged it before I left for a 2-week trip where I knew I would need a flashlight to get around at night. I like that the charging port is completely covered while not being used. After the trip I still do not need to charge it yet. I like that it had 2 brightness settings because the bright setting was almost too bright outside but great inside a tent. I really like the size and weight. It was large enough not to worry too much about it getting lost, but it also fit easily into a pocket and was lightweight enough to forget about during the day. I didn't have a use for the strobe setting, but I could see how it would be a good way to get someone's attention if I needed to. I dropped it, had it bounce around in a bag, flew with it in my duffel bag and put it through slightly more than light use and it still looks brand new. I am sure this will be my favorite flashlight for some time to come. #HomeTesterClub free sample.